welcome to AMB 2024. We've got a brand new world premiere to show you here on the Blum stand. I'm here with Lothar. Lothar, what are you showing us today? Tell me a bit more about this in context with the rest of the Blum products.
What we show here is another solution what could be realized with measuring technology. It's called an MG81. It's not the whole system, but the MG81 is implemented here in the fixture. What could be done here, that question comes up, because a fixture is a fixture clamping a workpiece. But this is to monitor the clamping situation. This could be realized here with the MG81. Up to 4 sensors can be connected to measure, for example, the position of the jaws from both sides. Here we see just one is implemented here. But of course, for both sides, that would be necessary to control the position of the jaws to make sure that the workpiece clamping position is on a correct position and to be stable during the process. The other sensors could be, for sure, to check the pressure. A sensor for hydraulic pressure or mechanical pressure can be realized here. That depends on the demands of the customer on the application.
Absolutely. For many years, people have been able to measure their workpiece position with Blum probes, their tool their tool length, diameter, whether it's broken, with the laser systems. Now you can actually measure your clamping state, and this is kind of like the third. This is this is now the big three of process control. You've now got all of them. So why would a customer want something like this inside their clamping fixture?
24/7 production needs to make sure that every component of the machine tool is realizing a stable process to realize a good quality, and just the first part that comes out of the machine must be perfect. So the customer, they need to make sure there are no chips between that could deflect the workpiece setting, and that is one thing.
Yeah, because the workpiece could be in the exact same position as before, but the clamping the clamping addition could not be the same as before. So your workpiece could be measured perfectly, but without measuring the jaws, you don't know if it's clamped properly.
Exactly. That's the precondition for the whole setup to start machining the workpiece.
Absolutely. You could imagine with cast components as well that change between components, between batches. The condition of supply material changes a lot. There's so many different applications that you could use a fixture like this for. Let's talk more now about the Blum, the way this communicates. There's a really fantastic part of this is that it uses quite a standard Blum product to do the receiving of the wireless information.
That is a used and a known technology. It's a receiver that we are using to communicate with a touch probe that is normally implemented in the machine. That means this is just another member that could be connected to the receiver, to the machine, to the PLC. That's very, let's say,
standard technology.
Very standard technology,
yeah.
A reliable technology. So that is running for thousands of machines worldwide, and that makes the invest on a low level, because this part of the game or this part of the system is already existing normally. And the other part, of course, is the fixture. In this case, with the integrated communication part, the MG81 coming from us. And that's the story around. And the rest are the measuring demands that are defined by the customer.
Yeah, absolutely. If you want absolute process security, without a massive investment, it's an investment that probably a lot of manufacturers could afford today. You can invest in the MG81. It's a brand new world premiere here at Blum at AMB 2024.